as we head back to the year 1975 with a massively underrated gem from none other than Benny King. So much more than Stand By Me. In terms of the chords, we've got 3 chords throughout the whole track today, which makes it fairly straightforward. Our first chord today is going to be none other than the F minor 7. And from the F minor 7, we're going to jump all the way to a B flat chord. This time we're taking our bar finger down to fret number 6, and then we're going to be in the shape of E major. So that's pretty much what the majority of the song is made up of, those 2 chords. So looking at the strum pattern based off the F minor 7, I'm just going to play it first and then I'll bring in the numbers. What we're playing on there, the first down strum is on number 2. So you've got a little bit of a lead in. 1 E and a 2 E and a. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. And then that down up down at the end is and a 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. Now obviously there's kind of variations beyond that as well, which makes it a little bit more funky, but we're sticking with the basics today. And then all we need to do is apply the same strum pattern to the chord of B flat major. So if we want to go one step beyond, I'll just play some variations on what I like to do when I'm doing the strum pattern for this one. So then we're going to take it to the bridge. Fairly straightforward, but a lovely leading back to the main melody, or back to the main rhythm. 2 chords in total, the first one being A flat major. And the beauty is it's exactly the same shape as the next chord, which is a B flat major, which is what we've played already in the verse and the pre-chorus, etc., etc. So what you can do to begin with, just to get used to this, you just do 1 strum if you want to on the A flat, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, which equates to 1 bar in total for each of one of those chords. And then eventually we can do the nice kind of offset strum as well, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E. So let's put it into practice, shall we? So the riff we're going to look at today, which I'm going to base it on, the simple version, goes something like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the keynote on the 8th fret 5th string, which is an F, and then we're going to do an octave jump, which is going to go all the way to the 10th fret 3rd string, play that one twice. And then we're going to stay on the 3rd string and we're going to move back towards the 8th fret. So put those 3 together. And then we're going to jump up to the 4th string, sticking with the 8th fret, and we're going to chromatic little climb. And we're going to go 8, 9, 10. Taking it to the riff, which is based over the B flats, we're going to move to the top string, play once, and then we're going to do an octave bounce again. This time we're going to jump all the way to the 4th string, so on the 6th string to the 4th string, play twice, and then we're going to go back to the 6th fret on the 4th string and play twice. And that allows you to collect your thoughts and then go back to the riff over the F minor 7. So I'll give you some more examples of the way you could actually adapt that particular riff to make it a little bit more juicy along the way. So if you need some further guidance along the way, I've put together a free music PDF sheet for you to download. Just head to the description in the comments below.